To add a new vehicle group, go to Vehicle Setting tab from the sidebar menu. Please take note that the vehicle group and type must be set up first before you can add a customer or an internal vehicle. Choose the Vehicle Groups tab, and click on this Add Vehicle Group button. Fill in with relevant information starting with the vehicle group name. Select relevant fields from the list. Once selected, this field will be shown when adding new vehicles to this vehicle group. Once done, click Save. The new vehicle group now appears in the list. Clone or duplicate groups using this icon. Make the necessary changes, then click Save. To delete a group, click on the trash bin icon, then click Yes. You may also use the search function, or change the number of rows or entries per page. To add a new vehicle type, go to Vehicle Types Internal tab. Make sure that you're adding the new vehicle type under the correct vehicle group. Select the appropriate group from the tabs here, then click on the Add Vehicle Type button. Fill in with relevant information. Upload the 2D layout of vehicle type here. Click Save once done. The new vehicle type is added to the list. Edit. Upload files and delete the type using these icons. To add a vehicle make, choose the Vehicle Makes tab and click the Add button here. Type in the vehicle make, then click Save. You may edit or delete the vehicle make using these buttons. To add a vehicle model, choose the Vehicle Models tab and click on the Add button. Select the vehicle make from the drop-down and type in the model name. Click the Save button to proceed. Similarly, you may edit or delete the vehicle model using these buttons here. To add a vehicle attachment, choose the Vehicle Attachments tab and click on this Add Vehicle Attachment button. Type in the vehicle attachment name and click Save. You may edit or delete the attachment using these icons.